Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. A self-custodial wallet can have different forms: a browser extension wallet, a hardware wallet, a desktop, or a mobile application. They can be divided into hot and cold wallets. It depends on their intended use and level of security. The wallets on your browser, desktop, or a smartphone are considered hot wallets because they remain connected to the internet. That's why they're more exposed to potential hacks and security threats. Meanwhile, cold, hardware wallets are mostly offline and are only connected to the internet when you need to perform a transaction. So if you're extremely concerned with security, it's better to use a cold wallet in a one-way interaction, where coins are transferred into your wallet for storage. But this wallet can never be connected to an internet-based application. It's a strict rule. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.